It's about to get better indeed, because we are out here with the band that has been serving us through this entire morning. Now I'm chilling with Mark right now. I just want to find out more about you guys. You're doing incredible stuff. Thank you for that earlier performance. It's got us into the feels. But I want to take it back a bit. Obviously, 2020 was an incredible year, right? We were all going through the most, but some incredible things on your side were happening.
Yeah.
Obviously, that third album was released, right?
Yeah.
That was Bioluminescence. On top of that, you signed a record deal with Just Music.
Yeah.
That is huge. In a time where so much is going on, what was that moment like for you?
Crazy, you know,
Yeah.
like you said, we were going through this pandemic and all this stuff, and we had been doing it for 10 years at that point, and we didn't know if we would ever get on stage ever again, you know, and then all of a sudden we got this call, hey, we want to work with you guys, we want to sign a deal. Next thing, we're breaking records and doing all kinds of cool things. So it was really bad for a lot of people, but 2020 was good for us, I guess.
Yeah, and the momentum kept on from there, because obviously a few years later, you're obviously releasing this new album.
Yeah.
But I think right now it's great to maybe just take it back to 2020. And here's a beautiful song to kind of commemorate that occasion and the momentum that Parable 15 went through. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy this song titled Tornado by Parable 15.
Fortune, you can read it on the palm of my hand. I didn't expect it, it wasn't written in the sand. But somehow, here I am. Will you lift me up right off the ground like a tornado? You spin me around and you shine a light like a freight train flying on a downhill road, like Louisiana rain that just won't let up, like a ton of bricks. Baby, I'm falling in love, and there's no stopping me now. Well, I can't explain, but I guess it just happened like that. I couldn't control what happened next. 'Cause there's a 6-foot wall to my heart that you broke right in. I'm finding it harder and harder and harder to hold myself back. Will you lift me up right off the ground like a tornado? You spin me around and you shine a light through the storm, like a freight train flying on a downhill road, like Louisiana rain that just won't let up, like a ton of bricks. Baby, I'm falling in love, there's no stopping me now. So tell me what happens now, 'cause my whole life has changed. You are the lighthouse that guides my way. 'Cause you lift me up right off the ground like a tornado. You spin me round and you shine a light through the storm, like a freight train flying on a downhill road, like Louisiana rain that just won't let up, like a ton of bricks. Baby, I'm falling in love, and there's no stopping me now.
Epic stuff indeed. There is no stopping right now. And this magic will continue in just a bit. Don't go anywhere, Mzansi. See you there.